Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss spectroscopy MCQs part first. In mass spectrometry, the base peak is option A, the ion with the highest mass, B, the ion with the lowest mass, C, the most abundant ion, D, the least abundant ion. Correct option is C, the most abundant ion. Which spectroscopy technique is used in food safety analysis? Option A, IR spectroscopy, B, fluorescence spectroscopy, C, UV visible spectroscopy, D, all of the above. Correct option is D, all of the above. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from our technologist. The hydrogen emission spectrum consists of option A, continuous spectrum, B, absorption lines, C, discrete spectral line, D, X-ray radiation. Correct option is C, discrete spectral line. The Doppler effect in spectroscopy helps in determining option A, electron transitions, B, molecular bonding, C, the motion of celestial bodies. Correct option is C, the motion of celestial bodies. Which technique is used in astronomy to study the composition of stars? Option A, NMR spectroscopy, B, IR spectroscopy, C, X-ray spectroscopy, D, atomic absorption spectroscopy. Correct option is D, atomic absorption spectroscopy. Which spectroscopy is commonly used in forensic science for drug analysis? Option A, UV visible spectroscopy, B, Raman spectroscopy, C, mass spectrometry, D, X-ray spectroscopy. Correct option is C, mass spectrometry. Which instrument is used in fluorescence spectroscopy? Option A, fluorometer, B, mass spectrometer, C, UV visible spectrometer, D, IR spectrometer. Correct option is A, fluorometer. Which of the following compounds exhibit fluorescence? Option A, water, B, quinine, C, nitrogen gas, D, sodium chloride. Correct option is B, quinine. In fluorescence spectroscopy, a Stark's shift refers to the option A shift to a shorter wavelength, B, a shift to a longer wavelength, C, an increase in intensity, D, a decrease in intensity. Correct option is B, a shift to a longer wavelength. Fluorescence occurs when a molecule is option A, absorbs and emits light intensity, B, absorbs light and slowly releases energy, C, absorbs X-rays, D, undergoes a nuclear reaction. Correct option is A, absorb and emits light intensity. The main difference between fluorescence and phosphorescence is option A, the type of transition involved, option B, the time duration of emission, C, the wavelength of emitted light, D, the energy of the absorbed photon. Correct option is B, the time duration of emission. Raman spectroscopy is widely used in Option A, organic structure determination. B, protein analysis. C, pharmaceutical analysis. D, all of the above. Correct option is D, all of the above. Which type of radiation is used in Raman spectroscopy? Option A, X-rays. B, infrared light. C, visible light. D, ultraviolet light. Correct option is C, visible light. The Raman effect was discovered by option A, C.B. Raman. B, Niels Bohr. C, J.J. Thomson. Correct option is A, C.B. Raman. Raman spectroscopy is based on option A, the absorption of infrared radiation. B, the emission of X-rays. C, the inelastic scattering of light. D, the resonance of atomic nuclei. Correct option is C, the inelastic scattering of light. Which scientist is known for discovering X-ray diffraction in crystals? Option A, Albert Einstein. B, Max Planck. C, Max von Laue. Correct option is C, Max von Laue. The X-ray spectrum of an element is unique due to option A, different bond lengths. B, electron transitions between energy levels. C, different molecular vibrations. D, the influence of isotopes. Correct option is B, electron transitions between energy levels. The technique used to determine crystal structures using X-ray diffraction is option A, IR spectroscopy. B, NMR spectroscopy. C, X-ray crystallography. D, UV visible spectroscopy. Correct option is C, X-ray crystallography. Which of the following elements is analyzed using X-ray fluorescence? Option A, hydrogen. B, helium. C, lead. D, neon. Correct option is C, lead. X-ray spectroscopy is mainly used to study option A, nuclear reactions. B, molecular bonding. C, atomic structure. Correct option is C, atomic structure. Which ionization technique is commonly used in mass spectrometry? Option A, nuclear magnetic resonance. B, electrospray ionization ESI. C, UV absorption. D, infrared irradiation IR. Correct option is B, electrospray ionization ESI. The mass spectrometer consists of which major component? Option A, chromatographic column. B, mass analyzer. C, UV detector. Option D, IR radiation source. Correct option is B, mass analyzer. Thank you for watching my videos.